What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Palantir stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you how important might be Palantir products for their customers. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we most likely completed all 5 wave structure, and one of my options, one of my assumptions was that this was the top of our 5th wave, and we completed all 5 waves. This means we have to have a retracement. And my second assumption was that probably we might have the top of our, sorry, wrong tool. We might have the top of our 5th wave at somewhere this point or probably higher. And this might be also the completion of this structure. And from this point we might have the retracement. And I have to say that for now I cannot define which one is the best case. And I will show you in my technical analysis why I am confused. But in general, on a bigger scale, I am 100% sure that this asset should go slightly lower than the current price in order to collect more steam and to probably hit higher targets. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news, the latest fundamental news directly related to Palantir. On financialtimes.com we have this article that is titled "Palantir gears up to expand its reach into UK's National Health Service." And let me quote to this. US data analytics group Palantir is gearing up to become the underlying operating system for the UK's National Health Service, poaching senior NHS officials as a part of a bid to win a £360 million contract to manage the data of millions of patients across England. And I found the summary of this article. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on June the 9th. And let me quote you these bullets. Palantir Technologies is planning to expand its role in the UK's National Health Service, Financial Times reported. The firm has supported NHS with its analytics software in the administration of ventilators and PPE tools. Now, the company is planning to bid on a £360 million contract for the proposed federal data platform. The report noted that Palantir had employed 2 senior NHS officers, Indra Joshi, the NHS's former head of synthetic intelligence, and Harjit Dhaliwal, former deputy to Mintang, NHS England's information chief, to assist in the bid for the proposed federal data platform contract. And definitely it is not the contract itself, it is just a plan to bid on this contract, but the amount of this contract is quite huge. It is £360 million, and definitely this action to hire 2 major officers in order to receive this contract shows how serious Palantir is to acquire as much customers as they can, and definitely it shows its intention to dominate the market. On top of that, let me show you another news. First of all, let me show you that on May 24th I covered this latest collaboration, and it is a collaboration between Palantir and Trafigura. They announced the collaboration to deliver supply chain carbon emissions platform to market. And why it is important right now? Let me show you that Trafigura just published their half-year 2022 results, and the period ended March 31st, 2022. And they booked the net profit of $2.7 billion. And definitely it is a huge number of the profits. But let me show you what is this company about. Trafigura Group is a Singapore incorporated multinational commodity trading company founded in 1993 that trades in base metals and energy. It is the world's largest private metals trading and second largest oil trader, having built or purchased stakes in pipelines, mines, smelters, ports and storage terminals. And definitely it is a huge company, but you might ask, Andrei, they just announced their partnership on May 24th. How these numbers might be related to Palantir? And let me show you this news in details that was published on May 24th. And let me pay your attention on this paragraph. The announcement builds on the network already done over the past year by Palantir and Trafigura, with the initial pilot already having built scenarios across 10 million carbon pathways using actualized commodity shipments by integrating Trafigura data and metrics supplemented by third-party data. And they work for more than 1 year. And this means Palantir is directly related to this number. On top of that, let me show you their numbers for the full year 2021. And let me pay your attention on the $3.1 billion net profit for full year 2021 and the $2.7 billion for half a year of 2022. Definitely it is a huge increase in their profitability, and part of this success directly related to Palantir. And definitely this news shows how Palantir might be important for their customers, and this shows the long-term potential of this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, how we can handle this movement and what is the ABC correction? If it is the top of our fifth wave, as you can see on my previous video, I've told you that we might retest or break this resistance or this support, and depending on the breakout we might consider the next leg of this asset. And as you can see, we barely broke this range of resistance, bounced back, and we basically even returned in this channel. And definitely we retested the bottom of this wedge, as you can see, this sloping line, and with the conviction of volume, as you can see right here, we have the volume of the breakout that is much higher than previous volume, and this was the real breakout below this range. And if it is the case, probably we might have this as our A wave. We have an extension in our B wave, and probably we have to land the bottom of our C wave right here or a bit lower. And definitely it might be the case, and you might wonder why, despite the good news, we have this massive sell-off. Let me add the SPY index on this price chart. As you can see, Palantir is following the SPY index. This means Palantir follows the market, and we don't have major news that might be the immediate catalyst for Palantir. This means it just moves south according to the total sentiment of the market. So, and what should we expect next from the price action? If it is the case and we complete all 5 waves, definitely we can project some levels. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, we have following levels. As you can see, we touched the 0.382 range. It is the price point of $8.25. Next potential level of support might be at 0.5. It is $7.91. And the golden pocket range, and basically it is the confluence with the bottom of our second wave right here. This means if you want to enter your swing trade position or even investment position with this asset, just accumulate along these levels. And your major target might be at this previous swing high at the price point of $14.8. And from our current price, even from our current price, we might have up to 82% of upside potential to this level. And definitely it is a quite good potential profits in a matter of next several months. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.